This is Charlie.
If there's one thing Georgia Cartwright wants for Christmas,
Maybelle's catching a nap.
it's to spend more time doing what she loves.
You know, when they're not feeling good, I don't feel great.
These are like your kids.
Yep, they're like my kids.
She's a trail boss for the Fort Worth herd at the stockyards.
These horses have a special place in my heart just because they bring so much to the public.
But for the last several days, these magnificent beasts haven't been able to really ride. The EHV1, a deadly horse virus, paused events across the state.
Hey, hip!
One, the twice daily cattle drive on East Exchange Avenue.
But
But on Friday, for the first time in more than a week,
They are great ambassadors for the city of Fort Worth.
they held the cattle drive and the Stockyards Christmas parade, led by their trusty steeds.
When we were not able to deliver that to the public, it was kind of sorrowful.
But we're not out of the woods just yet.
I think we're to the tipping point where we're over the hump. I'm not saying let your guard down.
Sid Miller, the commissioner for the Texas Department of Agriculture, says there have been 20 cases in the state and 2 deaths, and he's still urging everyone to be cautious.
Try not to commingle horses. Don't let them drink out of the same water trough.
Miller says big events are coming to Fort Worth soon. The PRCA announced the 2025 National Finals Breakaway Roping Championship will move to Fort Worth after the entire event was postponed in Las Vegas.
I think we're going to be fine. I think we've got this thing whipped. I'm not 100% certain, though, so keep your guard up.
But at the stockyards, this is a good start for Cartwright because she gets to do what she loves once again.
It was like the first day. Like the first day on the job, you have that nervous excitement. You're ready to get back. You're ready to get back in the eyes of the public.
In Fort Worth, I'm Richard Solomon.